So I have a new feature of Stylar AI that I don't want you guys to miss out. So now with the help of Stylar AI, you guys can go ahead and create 3D images of your favorite celebrities. Like, can you believe that? So it's really a simple process. You don't have to input images. You don't have to download models. With the help of just one click, you guys can now go ahead and easily create 3D animations of your favorite celebrities, right? So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Alright, so for that, you guys can see I am in the homepage of Stylar AI, which is one of my favorite tool for AI image generation. So first of all, you need to go ahead and click on new project. You need to open a new project, and in that, you can go ahead and give name to your project. So like here, I'm going to go ahead and name it as 3D celebrity images. Then you can go ahead and choose aspect ratio. So I'm going to go ahead and choose 1:1, hit on apply. And yeah, you guys can see we have now the canvas right over here. And now what you have to do is you need to click on text to image, okay? So this will give you a very intuitive, very easy to understand interface to you guys. So after that, first thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and choose your style, which is gonna be this one, which is innocent cutie, okay? So it can go ahead and create cartoon or 3D animated cartoonish images for you guys. So you need to click on that. And after that, it's asking you to describe what you want to create. And over here, you don't have to do anything difficult, right? You just need to go ahead and write your favorite celebrity names. That's all. And after that, it's asking you can go ahead and choose style intensity, click on advanced, but you don't need to do any one of that. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and choose one of the famous celebrities, which is Leonardo DiCaprio. And after that, no other work. Simply click on Stylize and just wait for the output. Alright, so it would take hardly like a minute for you guys. And here are the results. Like, check it out. Wow. I'm literally amazed by how accurate and how cool cartoonish 3D animation image it is. Like, check out the last one. So if I go ahead and place all of this in my canvas. Alright, so here's the first one. Then we have the second, then we have the third, and then we have the fourth. Like, wow, this is absolutely crazy. Like how accurate and how beautiful these images are. So it created kind of a Pixar style images, if you guys are familiar with that. So yeah, these 3D animations, they look absolutely perfect, right? Okay, so next, if you want to go ahead and do more. So next, I'm going to go ahead and take Beyonce. And I'm going to type just the name, as I told you guys. Click on Stylize. All right, and here we go. Here are our outputs. Wow, this is absolutely crazy, you guys. Let me just place all of those in my canvas and show it to you guys. Okay, so this is our first output. This is the second one, then the third, and the fourth. So yeah, you guys can clearly see like how accurate these celebrity 3D images are, right? Okay, now let's just go ahead and move a bit more into some soccer players. So I'm going to type here Cristiano Ronaldo, okay, because I'm a huge fan of him, and I'm going to click on Stylize. So let's just go ahead and see how it turns out. Okay, wow, this is absolutely beautiful. Like, check out these images. Let me just open them for you guys. Okay, so here is our first one. You guys can see we have a very good background. Like, obviously, it did recognize like it is a soccer player. So we have a football stadium background, and then we have the second image. Okay, we have a bit of a deformation, but no worries. Then we have the third one. All right, this looks good. And the fourth one, yeah, it's absolutely perfect. Okay, so let's take one more example, and all of you guys favorite, we're gonna go ahead and do Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Just need to go ahead and put the name over here. Click on Stylize. And here are the results. Absolutely beautiful, right? Let me just place on canvas. And yeah, here's the first one. This looks kind of funny, but yeah, it's very, very accurate. Then we have the second one, then the third one, and the fourth one. Yeah, this is absolutely crazy, right? Okay, so let me do one last example for you guys. We're going to go ahead and do Will Smith. And I'm very much eager to see how that's going to turn out for us. So let's just click on Stylize and wait for our output. Okay, you guys, here is the 3D animation image of Will Smith, the first one. Then we have the second one. Then we have the third one and the final one. Yeah, so you guys can clearly see all of these images are absolutely perfect to the point, okay? And before ending, here is another last animated 3D image for you guys as well. So we have Donald Trump right over here. Okay, second one, third one, and the fourth one. Yeah, it's looking absolutely perfect, right, guys? And yeah, one more thing, if you want to go ahead and export all of these images like I have on my layer sheet, so you can very easily do that. You need to click on export, select your file type, PNG is fine, and you can go ahead and upscale as well. Like you can do that to 4x, but it will demand, the pro version. So I think 2x is, enough for the upscaling. And then you can simply click on download, and it will go ahead and download all the images for you in one go, like without any problem, all right? All right, so there you have it, guys. This was a very cool feature of Stylar AI that I was really excited to share with you guys. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.